Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I will make pasta. It's linguine. Making sauce. This is a frozen shrimp. This one is crab meat. I think shrimp and crab meat is a good combination. Making with garlic and chili sauce. Using anchovy paste. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make it. Chop garlic. Olive oil. Anchovy paste. High flame. Crab meat. Shrimp. Little bit pasta boiled juice. Dried cheese, crab and shrimp sauce. Good flavor. Cheers. Olive oil. Right, taste a little bit. This is a naan secret season, just a little bit. Green onion leaf. Okay, done. Picking up serving plate. Okay, いただきます。This is shrimp and red snow crab meat pasta. garlic salt flavor, linguine. As a taste. Bon appetit. Good. Good flavor. So this pasta is matching with the tomato sauce. Also, if you like butter and cream flavor, you can make a cream butter sauce. So thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Thank you. Have a good shrimp and crab. Linguine. Hi. Yummy.